So the whole 2019, basically I've been posting almost every single day. Now granted, maybe I've taken a day off, maybe I've taken 2 days off in a week, but basically I've been grinding this whole entire year so far, and I haven't really had a day to myself to kind of just relax. Yes, I've had days that I've just kind of slept in bed, but like I'm talking kind of like a pampering luxury style. I've never had that in 2019 yet. So today is not gonna be, I'm not gonna be thrifting, I'm not gonna be shopping, I'm not gonna be doing any of that, I'm not gonna be even shipping out packages. Yes, I shipped out yesterday's packages. I actually went twice yesterday. I went in the morning as well as in the afternoon. So that was the exact reason why I could have Friday off, and that was the reason why I paid rent. I knew that today, being Friday, I kind of just have a chill, relaxed day. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I looked out, the weather is absolutely beautiful in South Florida. It is sunny, blue skies. I wanna say it's like 85, 90 degrees. So today we're gonna go to the Marriott Hotel. Now, locals usually can't go to the Marriott Hotel. The Marriott Hotel is kind of for guests, but I've been a local for a while now, and if you kind of lived at a place for a while, you kind of like find the little ropes and how to get into certain places. So I'm gonna bring you guys here. It's basically a 5-star hotel. Rooms there start at like $300 to $500 a night. It is absolutely beautiful. I usually always go there whenever I wanna bring a girl there, or me and like my homies, we wanna go to the beach / the pool. We'll be going there for today. I'll kind of show you guys where, where I kind of relax on a weekend. Obviously it's not weekend, it's Friday, but we're gonna pretend like it's a weekend. We're gonna get some beers and we're just gonna have a good day. So hope you guys enjoyed today's little relaxed video. Let's get it, guys. All right, let's get some beers for today. These came in handy. We got the Shock Top. We also have a Blue Moon. We'll probably save the Blue Moon just because I don't want to. I mean, Shock Top and Blue Moon are basically the same thing. They're like orange flavored, I guess, or orange infused beers. But we're gonna just stick to Shock Top. I'm thinking maybe 4 beers for today. Should be good for me. And we'll bring 2 extra just in case we see some nice ladies that would like a beer. Also gonna need a bottle of water to hydrate. Definitely gonna need some sunscreen. That little Action Bronze so your boy can get nice and tan because your boy's looking nice pasty white. Now we're all ready, let's go hit up the Marriott. Little trick when drinking outside, always bring like a 24-hour cold cup to put your beer in. It just helps a lot. Now we have ice cold beer. Paradise. So I've been here for about 2 hours now, about 4 beers deep, and I figured, you know what, let's just kind of show you guys around the place, show you guys where I'm at. Obviously I put on a t-shirt just because I'm going to show you guys I wasn't tanning with a t-shirt on, that'd be crazy. But this is like the little main area, pool area that I've been chilling. I'll show you guys kind of the complex, but like I said, this is the main pool area. The hotel is in the background. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I actually prefer the pool versus the beach just because I really hate the sand. Sand literally gets everywhere. So I'd rather hang out by the pool versus the beach. Now, sometimes I do come with a girl and she's like, yo, I want to go to the beach. That's no problem because look how close we are to the beach. And then here is the beach. Literally, it's a pool basically on the beach. And kind of fun fact, I used to work at this jet ski place when I was younger. You can see all the pavilions, and then the pool is back over there. So literally walking distance. Really nice resort. You can see they have all the water sports. So you want to go jet skiing or parasailing. Sometimes I do sit on those little things on the beach. So around Christmas time, I got a Starbucks gift card that I legit never use because I don't drink coffee. But they do have a Starbucks here, so I figured, you know what, let's go inside and see what kind of food they got. Maybe like a breakfast sandwich or something like that. You'll see how nice this hotel is too. So nice. A little bar. Sometimes I do happy hour, like buy one get one free drinks. Your boy. And then bam, walking distance, we got a Starbucks. Let's see, I have a $10 gift card, so let's see what we can get. How's it going?
How are you?
Can I have a lemon pound cake and a classic coffee cake, please?
Like both of them warmed up?
Yes, please. beans.
I'm sorry, lemon pound cake, right?
And coffee cake.
Okay, I only want the coffee cake. The lemon
That's
pound
fine.
cake, okay. But that icing in it, that's
Yeah,
fine. Alright, anything else?
No, that's it.
Oh. $7.
Shout out to my landlord. He actually gave me this gift card, so shout out to him. So a little backstory on like this hotel. Like you're probably like, Amelia, why are you going to a random hotel? So I've been going to this hotel probably about 5-6 years now. When I was younger, I used to come here to actually work out at the gym, and I used to like come out, hang out by the pool and whatnot. So this is like kind of like a staple center for the locals. We would always come here in high school and whatnot and just come out with friends, come out during the night, go to the jacuzzi during the night, and that's the reason why I just always came here. And it's also, all right, we got our food. And one thing that every time I want to move away from Florida, I always come to this spot and hang out by the pool, because I always forget that basically I live at where I vacation, like where other people vacation. Like literally people are from here, from all over the world, and this is literally 2-3 miles away from my house. So it's like, you know, I always forget that I live where people vacation, and I have to really appreciate where I live, and you know, and realize that I'm definitely fortunate. Oh, they even have like a little play area to play like hacky sack and all that stuff. So like I said, that is the beach. We're gonna go back to the pool and hang out and eat this. I just wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit around. I'll still show you guys some more. I'm probably gonna have lunch at that restaurant over there. But honestly, just having a relaxed day, like enjoying my Friday, not worrying about shopping, not worrying about thrifting, just getting some sun, hanging out, drinking some beers, eating some food, you know, just enjoying my life like it should be. And back to the pool area. It is so packed today. I wanted to come today and not Saturday, because Saturday is usually even more packed. Like the weekend, people come here even if they don't have a room here, they come here. So it's usually super packed. But this is my spot, little 2-seater right in front of the pool. Perfect spot. From Starbucks, I did get this coffee cake, which they did warm up, as well as I got a lemon pound cake with frosting, and they couldn't warm up. This thing is so fire. But it could also be because I had 4 beers and I'm a little bit tipsy, so anything probably tastes good right now. So this place is called the Marriott Beach Resort. Not only do they have like the pool and everything, but they have a full basketball court with a ping pong table, and then they also have tennis courts over there. During nighttime is when we come to like this little secluded cabana area, and we come to this like little jacuzzi. The amount of girls that I brought into this jacuzzi is kind of unreal. Late night sessions, always. And then what's nice about it too is like you can literally have beach access right here. So you literally just walk straight to the beach. Here we go, Fort Lauderdale Beach. I showed you guys over there before, like where the jet ski and everything is. This is kind of like the other side. That over there is another hotel. But me and my friends, we would always kind of come over here. We would like kind of chill in the back, kind of sesh. That way we kind of have the trees for cover, and we can be close to the jacuzzi slash pool if we wanted to, because I really hated it. But those little cabanas are really nice with the little blue covers. It's perfect, because honestly, that's the reason why I hate the beach too much. It's because the sun is just way too strong. It after like an hour or two, you can't even wait in here anymore. And then over here is kind of the area for the lunch. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have that for lunch. I'm getting kind of drunk, so I kind of want to get out of here before I get too bad, before, you know, I just can't get back home. I took an Uber here, but I just want to make sure I can get back home safely. So this back parking lot that you see is actually for club members. You can actually pay, I'm not sure exactly how much it is per month, but you can actually pay to come here and use the amenities. Like basically what I'm doing, if you're local, you can come to the Marriott and, you know, use the pool and whatnot, but you know, we don't want to pay for that shit. We get that shit for free. And the reason why I've been talking like kind of not facing the camera towards me is because I'm shirtless. I don't know, you guys, I know most of my viewers are guys and they don't want to see a guy fucking talking shirtless. It's just kind of weird for me. But I figured, let's show you guys the Marriott. I'm gonna go hang out back for a little bit, finish the beers. I have about 1 left. Basically finish a 6-pack of Shock Top, so I'm feeling pretty good right now. I need to get some food in me though, because yeah, I'm feeling. This was the restaurant I was telling you guys about. Super nice. Basically, you can just come up here and either sit at the bar or get a table, and basically you're at the front beach, the nice beach view. So I knew I said there was gonna be any shopping in this video. I was just gonna go to the beach or whatever, but I totally forgot that I was passing in TJ Maxx, and I figured, you know what, let's just come in, show you guys what they got. I don't really come to these TJ Maxx too often because it is pretty far from my house. So let's see what they got here. All right, so for Invictus, let's see which one this one has. We got the gold with the blue. This one's the smaller one. We have the Mickey Mouse limited edition. We have the Star Wars limited edition. I'm not sure what that face is. Oh, you guys can't even see. Let's see what else we got. We have a see-through Invicta, the iridescent, the two-tone. Not many options for this store though. A few Michael Kors. Got a few Gucci bags. How much is this? 600 bucks. That's not actually bad. I think retail is probably like 1,200. Then we do have a few Givenchy duffel bags. How much is this? This is original price was 2,000. It's on clearance for 1,600. Got the multicolored. Then we have the Ferragamo one. Original price 15, on sale for 1,200. And then we have this black Givenchy. How much is this? This is 2,100, on sale for 1,700. We have a Dolce & Gabbana backpack. How much is this? This is on clearance for 700. We have a few more Gucci bags. Jeez, how much is this? 600. 450. This one is 600, so about 600 to 450 or so. Got a bunch of True Religion on clearance. We have a $20 t-shirts. The jacket is $40, little zip hoodie. Oh, it does have some graphics on the back too. It's not bad, $40 for a True Religion hoodie. I've showed you guys this in black, red, blue, but I've never seen a yellow one before. A really nice Hill figure spell out. Original price 50, on sale for 40. Has a little embroidered hoodie, or embroidered logo. See, this is the white version with the Hill figure spell out in navy. This is on clearance. I think it should probably be the same, 40 bucks, yeah. I showed you guys this last time, the Alpha Industry Bonders is actually on clearance now, $40. And remember, these retail for like 150 plus, so $40, really good deal. You guys always see like the Miami Hurricanes hoodies that always at like every TJ Maxx Marshalls. Well, look how many this store has. Literally an entire row of nothing but Hurricane stuff. I don't know who like was if they ran out of business or what. They're all clearance to $20. Like I said, I don't think people are gonna buy them at $20, especially with this many. I feel like they probably need to go down to maybe 10, maybe even $5, just to like, you know, move them all, like basically all of them for $5, you know, or all of them for $10. But they're really nice hoodies, like all embroidered too. We have the bootleg Gucci hoodie with like the pinstriping of green and red. It's so funny. So there wasn't anything good at TJ Maxx, unfortunately, besides the Gucci bags, and obviously I'm not gonna buy that Gucci bag. And since I was drinking beer, hanging about the pool, I feel like the perfect lunch right now is a burger and fries. So that's exactly what we're gonna get. Burger, fried cheeseburger.
I want a single and double.
Yeah, that's fine. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, buddy.
Thank you.
You know where the condiments are?
Yeah, thank you. Oh, I am so full. Let's head home, see how the pups are doing, see how Jackson and Captain are doing. Hi, Jackson. I know you're so happy. Oh, come on, man. See, come on, bro. You're messing up the camera, bro. You're fucking it up. Captain will never do that. Let's go see how Captain's doing. Let's go see how your brother's doing. Hey, Cap! Hi! Hi! How are you? Let me pick you up. Let me pick you up, boy. How are you? Excuse you? I'm saying hi to my son. I'm saying hi to my son. Let me say hi to my son. It's my little Captain. I'm saying hi to Captain. Stop it. Get down. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, these dogs! Oh my God! I know! You guys are just so excited! You guys are just so excited! Jackson, get down! You're too big for that. You're too big for that.